Hey guys, I was trying to get out a Hytale grass block tutorial today, but I've been super busy with freelance work, and unfortunately the workload has doubled, so I'll be pretty busy this week too. However, I have managed to complete half of the video so far, but unfortunately I've got to put my freelance work first. So hopefully that video should be out this week or later next week. Also this week I went out to shoot some footage for some visual effects tutorials, but quickly realised that the quality of my camera just wasn't up to scratch. So I decided to buy a new camera along with some new gear. So hopefully I'll be able to go out and shoot some new footage in the next week or so, as I plan on releasing the footage alongside my tutorials so that people can follow along and learn to create visual effects. So if you guys have any requests, let me know. But that's all I have for now. I'll see you around.